Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this adorable sunflower balloon garland. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So super adorable balloon garland, very simple to make. Basically, I use a bunch of yellow balloons. You can also use white or darker balloons or lighter balloons. It doesn't matter. You're gonna use a balloon strip and then just place the balloons inside your balloon strips, and then place it on your wall. My wall, I keep saying it, but I have two curtain rods, so it's perfect for me, especially when I want to do balloon garlands. When I do balloon videos for you, I just hook one up on each side and there you go. But if you don't have this kind of like a structure, your wall is plain or whatever, you can also purchase command hooks and they work perfectly fine. So you just stick command hooks to wherever you want and then you're just going to tie your balloon garland and it will be as beautiful. And then that is it. And then I finished the look with a cute foiled sun balloon, and I also placed some sunflower artificial flowers in the gaps, and there you go. So this is perfect for a cute little girl's birthday, baby shower. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.